Have you ever wondered how businesses manage to expand and grow even in tough economic times? Well, one of the secrets lies in their understanding of business credit. Now, you may ask, what exactly is business credit? Simply put, it's a company's ability to buy now and pay later. Much like personal credit, it's a measure of the reliability and trustworthiness of a business in the financial world. But why is it so important? Good business credit opens up a world of opportunities. It can secure loans to fund expansions, negotiate better payment terms with suppliers, and even attract investors. It's like having a golden key that unlocks the door to growth and prosperity. So, whether you're an entrepreneur dreaming of starting your own venture, or simply an individual who wants to make informed financial decisions, understanding business credit is indispensable. And remember, understanding business credit is not just for entrepreneurs. It's for everyone who wants to make informed financial decisions. So, how does business credit work and why does it matter? Well, let's dive right into the mechanics of it all. Business credit is a track record of a business's financial responsibility, similar to how personal credit works. It's calculated based on several factors such as payment history, length of credit history, credit utilization, and the company's size and industry. Think of it as a report card for your business's financial health. When you consistently pay your bills on time, maintain a long history of credit, and keep your credit utilization low, your business credit score shines. It's a bit like keeping your garden well tended. Regular care and attention make all the difference. Now here's where it gets interesting. There's a lively debate about whether businesses should rely solely on personal credit or build separate business credit. The truth is, both have their place in the financial landscape. Personal credit is like your financial fingerprint. It reflects your individual financial habits and can be crucial when you're starting a business. However, as your business grows, building its own credit score becomes increasingly important. Why, you ask? Well, separating personal and business finances provides a safety net for your personal assets if your business encounters financial difficulties. Plus, a strong business credit score can unlock a world of opportunities, from better loan terms to more favorable trade credit conditions with suppliers. It's like having a VIP pass to the financial world. Just remember, while business credit might seem like a complex maze, it's not. It's about understanding the rules of the game and playing it smart. It's about making informed decisions that protect and grow your business. After all, the road to financial success is paved with good credit decisions. So let's get that credit score garden flourishing, shall we? Now that we understand the mechanics, how does a business build and manage its credit? Let's break it down into manageable steps. It all starts with establishing your business credit. This includes getting a business phone number, opening a business bank account, and securing a business line of credit. These simple steps can lay the foundation for your business credit profile. Next, you want to ensure that your business is in good standing with all credit bureaus. This means paying your bills on time, every time. Think of it as maintaining a good reputation. Just as in personal relationships, reliability goes a long way in the business world. Now, let's talk about maintaining a low credit balance. It's not just about having access to credit, it's about how you use it. The lower your balance, the better your credit score. It shows that you're not over-reliant on borrowed money and that you manage your finances well. Regularly checking your credit reports is another important step. This way, you can spot any errors or discrepancies and address them promptly. Just as you would do a regular health checkup, consider this a financial health checkup for your business. Now here's a point of debate. Should all businesses focus on building credit? Some argue that for small businesses or sole proprietorships, the owner's personal credit could suffice. However, others contend that having separate business credit can offer more benefits, such as higher credit limits, protection of personal assets, and more credibility with lenders and suppliers. Regardless of where you fall in this debate, one thing is clear. Managing business credit effectively requires diligence, discipline, and a long-term perspective. It's not about quick wins, but about building a strong financial foundation for your business to thrive. And don't forget, if you're finding this information helpful, please do give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll continue providing insights to help you navigate the world of business credit. Remember, building business credit is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep your pace steady, stay committed, and you'll reach the finish line in great shape. So why should we all care about business credit? A simple question, yet a profound one. Let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've embarked on together. We've dissected the mechanics of business credit, explored the strategies to build and manage it. Now we're here, appreciating its power. Business credit, you see, is not merely a tool for entrepreneurs. It's a catalyst that propels businesses, big and small, towards growth and success. It's a financial lever that, when understood and used wisely, can open doors to opportunities and possibilities. The power of business credit is all around us. It's in the thriving local cafe, the tech startup making waves, and the multinational corporation expanding its reach. Every business milestone, every leap forward is often fueled by the strength of business credit. As we wrap up, think about this. How would understanding business credit change your financial decisions? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.